Erase Mercedes-Benz FBS4 DSM in minutes with CGDI MB full step-by-step tutorial. Hey everyone, Hussain here, and I welcome you to Baabji Motors, your go-to destination for everything related to automobile diagnostics, ECU programming, and advanced automotive tech. Before we get started, here's a quick but important note. This video is purely for educational and informational purposes. Everything we show or discuss is intended to help technicians, learners, and enthusiasts grow their knowledge. All trademarks belong to their respective owners, and we strictly follow fair use and manufacturer guidelines. Now, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever struggled to erase or virginize a Mercedes-Benz FBS4 DSM module and wondered if there's a faster, more reliable way to do it? Well, today's video might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Stick around till the end, because I'll share not only the full step-by-step guide, but also an alternative tool that supports the same operation. So you'll have two powerful methods in your arsenal. All right, let's get started. So, the CGDI MB, also known as CGMB, has just leveled up its capabilities. With its latest update, it can now erase Mercedes-Benz FBS4 ISM, DSM, and ESM modules directly. That's right, no more complicated detours or guesswork. To demonstrate, we'll use a Benz DSM module as our main example and go through every step you need to follow to get it done right. Step 1. Update your software. First things first, make sure your CGMB software is updated to version 3.4.0.0. This version includes the crucial FBS4 erase functionality. You can download the BenzMonster 3.4.0.0 update for free. Just be sure you're getting it from a trusted source. Think of it like giving your CGDI MB a little cup of coffee before a long day. It wakes up all the best features. Step 2. Connect everything properly. Next, set up your connections. Connect the CGDI MB key programmer and your Benz FBS4 DSM correctly. Make sure you have a stable power supply. You don't want the device falling asleep in the middle of an erase job. Then, connect your CGDI MB to your computer using the USB cable. Once everything is properly linked, you're ready to dive into the software. Step 3. Read the module data. Now, open the CGMB software and navigate to Auto Computer. Click on Read. This command will fetch the module's data. If your connections are correct, you'll see the VIN displayed automatically. The software will also tick the activated status, confirming that the module data has been successfully read. This step is essential because it verifies that the system recognizes your DSM unit before proceeding with the erase process. Step 4. Erase the data. Here comes the satisfying part, the erase operation. Click the Erase button and let the software do its magic. Within moments, you'll notice the VIN field becomes empty and the activated status is no longer ticked. That means your Benz FBS4 DSM data has been completely cleared. It's now in a virgin state, ready for programming or transfer to another vehicle. It's as simple as that. 4 steps: update, connect, read, and erase, and your FBS4 DSM module is clean and ready for reuse. Now, here's something extra for those who love alternatives or want to explore additional tools. The Yanhua ACDP2 with Module 42 also supports erasing or virginizing Mercedes-Benz FBS4 DSM and DSM 222 modules. It even allows for data transfer. So, if you already own a Yanhua device, that's another powerful option to add to your workshop toolkit. And hey, let's be honest. Isn't it amazing how these diagnostic tools make such complex operations feel as easy as deleting a playlist you regret making? Just don't mix up your modules like you mix up your music genres, or you might end up with a car that thinks it's in karaoke mode. By using either CGDI MB or Yanhua ACDP2, you can handle FBS4 erasing tasks with professional precision, saving time and improving workflow efficiency. Whether you're a garage owner, automotive locksmith, or just an enthusiast upgrading your skill set, this process can make a real difference in your day-to-day diagnostics. These advancements show just how fast automotive technology is moving, and staying updated isn't just a hobby anymore, it's a must. So, Keep learning and exploring tools that enhance your expertise, because every new version or module unlocks opportunities to work smarter, not harder. Now, let's wrap this up with a few final insights. So, to answer the question we started with, yes, you can absolutely erase or virginize a Mercedes-Benz FBS4 DSM quickly and efficiently using CGDI MB with the latest 3.4.0.0 update. It's reliable, straightforward, and gives you full control over the process. Personally, I think CGDI MB has become one of the most practical tools in the automotive programming world, especially because it continues to evolve with new features that support modern systems like FBS4. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried erasing an FBS4 module before? Which tool worked best for you? CGDI MB or Yenhua ACDP2? Drop your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps others learn and improve too. Before we close, here's a fun fact. The FBS4 system, also known as DS4, is one of the most secure immobilizer systems Mercedes-Benz has ever developed. So, whenever you successfully erase or reprogram one, you're not just fixing a car, you're mastering a piece of high-level German engineering. If you found this tutorial helpful, show your support by smashing that like button. Let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments on this video. Hype it up, share it with your fellow techs, and don't forget to subscribe to Baabji Motors for more deep dive tutorials like this. Your support keeps this channel alive and growing. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, happy diagnosing from all of us at Baabji Motors.